Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do list. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well firstly. And in today's video, I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So you have just to stick around until the end because I will tell you of various information that could help you for using Smartsheet.com, even if it's signing up and what is Smartsheet.com and how you can get started and how you can use these options from the dashboard. And just you have to follow the steps to success with this platform, which is Smartsheet.com. All right. So firstly, all I have to do is open a browser and dive into smartsheet.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. All right, so that's what is smartsheet.com. So right now I will show you the step by step how you can get started and signing up. All you have to do right now is just click over try Smartsheet for free. Also we have here another button, and if we scroll down, which is try Smartsheet for free. Then once you click over try Smartsheet sheet for free, you'll find a page which is one. All I have to do right now is just add your email address, then you click over continue and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. But before, once you click over continue, it will appear one page here on one schedule that you have to link it by your information such as your name, your last name, your phone number, and your country as well, or your continent, I mean. Then you click over continue and you'll find this page. Please check your inbox to activate your account. Confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. So then you'll find this page as you can see, or you have just right now to go to your Gmail. Sorry, I mean you have to go to your Gmail if you have an application, or you can just dive into mail.google.com and you add your email that you already add here or you enter. All right, so here we have this email that we received from Smartsheet. I will just click over confirm email right now, and then you will find a page which is this one. You have to create a password to keep your account more secure. You have to add your password, then confirm the password again, and then you click over next after you click over agree to the Smartsheet user agreement and policy, privacy policy. Then you click over next and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. All right, so right now all I have to do is just click over here. If you want to get started on projects, you have to click over here. We have start a new project and programmer process, or you can just click over here and you start. But right now in this video I will just show you how you can use this platform and which is this option that could help you to success for this platform, which is this one, start a new project. I will also here show you this one which is resource management. Then we have here also work application, then we have also here browse, and that's it. So right now let's just discover in the first one, which is the browse. About this one you will find here browse, and we have here also other options such as work application, and we have new workspace. About work application you will find here sheets. You have just to click over here in the top right over create, and you start creating if you want to create task list, project, cards, browse templates, and we have here import Microsoft project, import from Google Sheets, import from Atlassian, and report, dashboard, folder, and workspace. Then we have also here workspaces. You click over create and you get started with the same thing, sheets. So you have just to select the one you want, if you want sheets or workspaces. Then we have here new workspace as well, and you have just to click over share once you're done. For example, about we have new workspace, you can just get started and you create it, then you share it by clicking over here and you start with that. You have just to invite people into groups, editor as well, and you customize the message like that, and then you get started. So that's it for this one. And then let's move on to the next option, which is resource management. About this one, you will find a page which is this one or other option. Here we have resource plan for every level of your organization, assign the right people to the right work at the right time. For example, we have balanced workloads, track time with ease, forecast with confidence, and you click over request free trial. Then you have to link your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone, and you select also here the time. If it is 1 month, 3 month, and we have short term, medium, long term, not sure, and no current plans. We have what's your biggest challenge with managing resource. All right, so that's it for this one. Right now, let's move on to the next one, which is work application. For this one, you'll find here the work application that you already create, and then we have here the last one, which is the important one. I will show you how you can do that. So here we have, let's start a new project, program or process, create a workspace to organize and collaborate with teams and partners. We have start with a popular template if you want, or start from scratch. You have just to choose the one you want. If you want to start with a popular template such as projects, request management, business budget management, or you can just start from scratch. I will just show you one of these. So to use Smartsheet, you have just to start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. So let's just select, for example, this one. And then you have to add your product name. You select it from a grid, then our board. I will select, for example, grid. Then I will just click over next to build product, and they will just skip all these things such as tasks. And then we have here break down your tasks, and then we have highlight important data. I will click over next the dashboard and build a product. If you are building a product, it's successfully, sorry. Then you'll find this page, and you have just to get started right now. You can just delete this one if you don't like it, like that, and you add whatever you want, like that. All right, so here we have it right now, and you have just to start adding whatever you want. We have, if you want a task sheet, and we have task summary, overview, tasks, project, dashboard as well. We have in the top file, automation, forms, connection. Then we have here in the top right the button of share phone. If once you're done, you click over share, and other options like if you want to copy the link, attachment, conservation, and we have profs and other things that could help you to success with this one. Then you click over share and you share your template, right? So this is how it works with smartsheet.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful to use it. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized and manage projects and collaborate with ease. Whether we are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, it keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your projects on track. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.